China has witnessed a thriving gold market recently. According to China Gold Association, in 2023, the national gold consumption reached nearly 1,090 tons, an increase of 8.78% year-on-year. According to the association, in 2023, the young population aged between 25 and 34 became the main force of gold consumption, with their proportion up from 16% to 59%. Before the Spring Festival holiday, gold jewelry orders had shot up phenomenally across the country, particularly among the youth.
很多顾客会买去送人，还有自己佩戴，这块的需求都比较多，和往年增长20%左右吧。
自己有一个手镯手链，然后想要搭两个这个金的小吊坠，然后做一个搭配，觉得这样可能戴起来更漂亮一点。
Besides fashion identity, young Chinese consumers choose gold jewelry also for investment reasons.
我俩的目标其实就是那种按克的那种足金的，然后对戒，然后项链、手链，然后而且现在其实年轻人也蛮喜欢黄金的。
In recent years, China chic, which features fancy designs mixed with traditional elements, has emerged as a popular trend. Jewelers are joining the trend and designing jewelry products bearing traditional Chinese cultural elements to satisfy young consumers' aesthetics needs.
是整个趋势来去讲的话，就是我们黄金的一个销量的话是比较好的。第一个它也很保值，第二个的话就是现在的黄金做的就是很受这种年轻人青睐的，因为一些款式做的很时尚。
下一步将推出一系列的文创加珠宝的一系列的产品，推出一些符合我们现在年轻人审美观点的产品，来更好的为我们的年轻消费者服务。